Red Magic 8 Pro gets 3C certification with 165 watts fast charging. Nubia is gearing up for the launch of its new gaming phone. The company has already confirmed to launch a new gaming phone with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset under the hood. It could well be the Red Magic 8 Pro, which will launch alongside the vanilla model. The device could be the first gaming phone to feature the new Qualcomm flagship chipset. The launch of the upcoming Nubia gaming smartphone could be imminent, as it has been spotted on the 3C website. The listing confirms the fast-charging details of the phone. Let's take a look at the Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro specifications, features, and other details ahead of the launch. The Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro will launch as a successor to the Red Magic 7 Pro, which was launched earlier this year in select markets. The device has been spotted on the 3C website with the model number NX729J. The listing reveals that the gaming smartphone will support a whopping fast 165 watts fast charging out of the box. The phone was spotted previously on the TNA-MIIT certification, which confirms that it will support 5G connectivity. A Bluetooth SIG certification database revealed that the gaming phone will come with support for Bluetooth 5.2. Although the phone has been spotted on multiple certification websites, the leaked details are not as significant. The display, camera, and battery capacity details are unknown at the moment. We can expect these details to be available soon. What we can confirm is that the phone will feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset under the hood. The chipset was unveiled earlier this month with a peak clock speed of 3.2 GHz. The chipset also offers 4 performance cores clocked at 2.8 GHz and 3 efficiency cores clocked at 2.0 GHz. Other details of the Red Magic 8 Pro are under wraps. We will share more details about the upcoming gaming phone as and when available. Meanwhile, let us know your thoughts about gaming smartphones in the comments below. If you want to see videos like this, subscribe to Mobile Versus. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.